A nice Friday evening hanging out with the birds, the dogs. You be good, Woody. My dog Woody right up in my face. What are you doing? Why are you in Daddy's face? Mommy not giving you any bread? Come here, duckies. Come here, ducks. Get some bread. Come get some treats. Why are you attacking the chicken, ducky? Give the duck some over there.
I'm going to.
That's wild. Everything's kind of a mess, folks, but we'll get around to cleaning it up here soon. Right now, we spend a lot of time with our animals there, just so they're not scared. All our birds, they hang with us and give them treats. They're right friendly.
You missed it, Teddy.
The big boy will take a piece.
No, he won't take it from my hand.
Yeah, you will.
No, he won't.
No. Anyway, I'll be glad when they show up to get their stuff out of my greenhouse.
Look how close he gets to me now.
Yeah. Hi, Daddy. Let me give you some. Yeah? All right. My boy Apache. Daddy's pup. Daddy's puppy. Yes, that's Daddy's good pup, Mom. You gonna come over and see Daddy? Cause he Daddy's good puppy. He come and see Daddy, cause he Daddy good puppy. And there's Daddy's Woody dog. Hey, mind your manners. Sit down. What are you doing on the?
Want some? Sit.
Sit up for a minute, Woody. All right. Sit down. Sit down
I'm
here.
gonna eat this whole fucking loaf of bread. Get down.
Woody wants some bread.
I just gave him a piece. One of these days won't surprise me if he jumps up on my lap.
Anyway, that black thing, I don't know if I'm going to mount that on the back of the Cushman or not. It's kind of weird.
Where you going, Bobby?
Hey, duck, duck. Ducky, 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 ducky.
I actually touched Teddy. As he was walking away, I stroked his back a little bit.
Yeah, it's nice and be interactive with your flock because then that way they're not running and being scared from you. Teddy, he takes it. Oh, get it, Teddy. Hey, Teddy. Teddy, come here.
I think the big duck scared the shit out of him.
Yeah. Teddy. Teddy, come here, Teddy. Come here, Teddy. Teddy. Our rooster's some handsome.
Teddy.
Teddy.
Chicken.
Come here, chicken. Daddy chicken. Oh, he found a piece of bread over there. All the way over there.
Well,
What's the matter, Daddy Duckies? Come here, Daddy Ducks. Here, Teddy. Come here, Teddy. Come here, Teddy. Come here. Come here, Teddy. Give Teddy some bread.
Teddy, come. Come here, buddy.
Teddy, come here. Come here. Come here, Teddy. He's ready. He's going to come.
Oh, yeah, he's going to come. Come on, buddy.
Here, Teddy. Come here, Teddy. Always takes the long way around.
Well, the duck.
Scared from the ducks?
There you go, buddy. They make the strangest noises.
Oh, yeah, well, that's their, that's their, I don't know what it is,
He's
but
got some weird shit going on his beak here.
yeah,
Here, chicken.
that's just the way they grow out.
Here, my ducks. Uh-oh, guys.
Getting down the last bread? Look, he gives it to the chicken.
Yeah, yeah. He's a gentleman.
Yeah. And that little black one doesn't want any of the chickens to get any. Oh, hey, she took your piece of bread. The ducks are getting excited here. These Muscovies, they want bread, more bread. These Muscovies, they're awesome. They're really friendly.
They make the weirdest noises.
They make weird noises. Hey, buddy. You getting some bread? Is it a treat? You getting treat? You get treats? Mommy giving you treats. You're a pretty lucky boy. You're a pretty lucky boy. Mommy giving you treats. Pretty lucky boy. Get treats. Get treats. Now, see, they've had enough. They won't come to your hands when they have had enough.
That's it. All gone.
Yeah.
And the dogs had some.
Anyway, they probably enjoy us coming out and sitting with them at night and just hanging out. It gives them all a chance to be sociable.
That's why they follow you every
But the
time
little
you go.
babies haven't come out. We haven't seen no babies.
She had them out earlier today.
I'd like to see the babies come out. We got a whole bunch of baby chickens there and behind the greenhouse.
She put them to bed there. She put them to bed early. She was out earlier because it was empty. I couldn't find them.
Yeah. And my boy Apache just
Probably had
hanging
them
out.
back in the bush there,
He likes it outside.
scratching.
He likes it outside. He's a good dog, Mommy. He like it outside. He's a daddy good dog.
He's a mummy's boy.
Daddy's good boy, like it outside.
Them had ice cream.
Them had ice cream. They're spoiled, man. Where's Woody?
Right here.
Oh. Woody.
You getting belly
Daddy,
rubs from Mom.
Daddy dog.
You getting
There he
Mummy's
is,
belly
underneath
rubs.
the table.
You getting belly rubs. That's a good boy.
Anyway, it'd be nice when they get here and start taking all their shit. They might be over there already.
I don't know. I haven't heard any kids screaming yet. Oh, they're just hanging out here. See,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, these guys are hanging out. 6. So these will be the 6 that are processed tomorrow.
There's only 5 here. 6, she's underneath. She's not.
Well, these 5 and this 5 is getting processed.
I don't really want to.
Well, there's too many of them. We're gonna have too many birds.
I know.
And we got buyers right now at $20 a head. We might as well process them and move on to the next batch. You got to remember, these aren't pets. We're homestead. You got to think homestead. Put out the food. Huh? Yeah, Teddy. Gonna give her, eh, boy? That was quick. That was faster than a bunny rabbit, dude.
Short and sweet. Have you ever seen these ones do it?
Yeah, these guys are heavy. They're slow and awkward,
Have
eh?
you ever seen when
And then he puts the head into the ground and,
there are things this long
yeah, they're
and it's coiled?
long pecker, really
and it
coiled.
takes a long time for it to retract back in when they get off.
Yeah.
It's like it just drags on the ground. It's like gross. It's like, what the heck?
Well, that's their reproductive cycle. But they're pretty birds. That's Daddy's pretty ducks.
Actually, the males are ugly.
Well, they got a lot of
They're ugly.
growth on the front of their
The males
face.
aren't bad.
You got to get by that. You got to look at them for their personalities,
No, I know. But I don't like him.
because they all have their personalities.
Remember? I
Well,
don't like
he was the dominant male of the flock.
asshole.
We put the boots to the other one, but anyway, we gave the other one a good home, and these guys here, well, tomorrow is their last day.
Tomorrow they're stupid.
Well, they're not stewed. They're going to be
somebody's
processed, and yeah, we'll go from there. Anyway, folks, see you later.